Good morning all the students, how are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about our question paper. Just wait. Yeah, there is one, check it here. The purest natural form of a cellulose is, okay, that is only our question paper. We have to going to discuss our FA2 question paper now. Yes, all the students. That is what actually the purest natural form of a cellulose is cotton. The purest natural form of cellulose is, okay. Some students are may undergoes confusion. That is may rayon or wool or silk. These are not purest cellulose. Actually, wool is not a cellulose, it is a animal hair. Silk is also not a cellulose, it is also came from, okay na, yes, that our whatever silkworm, okay, it is a come from one of the protein, that is a what, silkworm. But rayon is contain a wood pulp, but not it is a pure wood pulp, it is a contained or somewhat chemicals inside it. That's why it is also not called actually purest natural form. Okay, next come to here, second one. The non-sticky coating on pans and other cooking utensils is made from. The non-stick coating on pans and other cooking utensils is made from what actually? Teflon. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is a contain on the coating as a Teflon. Next, it is a direct question only. Next, come to third one. Synthetic plastic is lead to. Synthetic plastic is lead to. Okay, clear or not all of you? Synthetic plastics are lead to what actually? Because of the plastic, what will we get? Yeah, the pollutions get actually. Clear or not all of you? Pollutions are get, and that is the water pollution or air pollution and solid waste pollution, all of the above. Yeah, there is all of the above. Because of the water pollution, because of the plastic, the water is undergoes a pollution. You know very well how it is. Okay now, yes, there is so many seawater is also under polluted because of what there is nowadays there is a somewhat aquatic animals are also undergoes this effect of this pollution. You know very well about this. And air pollution. Okay, clear or not all of you? You know very well, because of the plastic there is the chlorofluorocarbons are also emitted, and when we burn the plastic, okay now, at that time somewhat poisonous gases are emitted into the environment. And as well as solid waste pollution. You know very well how it is solid waste pollution. Okay, more solid waste is added because of the plastic only. The remaining all the biodegradable things are mixed with the what? Soil. But this is not mixed with the soil. They are not degradable. That's why the solid waste is increases because of these plastics only. And next, there is the fourth one. Acrylic fiber are advantages over. Okay, clear or not? What is the use of acrylic? It is work as a fake fur. Means what? Fake wool. Got it or not? It is works as a fake wool. That's why it is a what actually it works as a wool only. It works as a wool. Next, fifth one. Polyester is a long chain polymer of a chemical substance called. Got my point or not? Polyester is a long chain polymer of a chemical substance called. Yes, that is a what actually? Ester. It is a polyester. Okay, got it or not? It is a polyester. Okay, and that's why polyester is a long chain polymer of a chemical substance. It's called polyester. Yes, and in that name only it is there. Ester it is. Ester, yes, polymers. Next one it is which of the following represented the smallest unit of a polymer? It is called monomer. You know very well all the students. The polymer is a combination of monomers. Next, seventh one. Rayon is prepared by. Rayon is prepared by which things? Rayon is prepared by which things? The rayon is prepared by, yes, which one it is? Fiber, cellulose, oxygen or coal. What is the fundamental material to prepare the rayon? That is a wood pulp. The wood pulp is a what? Cellulose. Got it or not? It is a cellulose. That's why it is a fundamental thing. Next come to here, 8th question. The strongest fiber in the following. Which one is the strongest fiber? You know very well. We are already have one test also. What is the test? Yes, we have to take different fibers and it is attached with the what actually there is a different rock like things. Okay, clear or not all of you? And as well as there is a somewhat weighted material, somewhat are added to the thread, may the thread are broken. Thread may broken. Okay, clear or not all of you? The thread may under broken. Got it? This is only about actually about strongest fiber we are taken. Next one. 9th one. A plastic which can be softened on heating and molded repeatedly is called. A plastic which can be softened on heating and molded repeatedly is called. Clear or not all the students? Yes, that is only two types of plastics are there. One is the thermosetting plastic, another one is what? Another one is what it is? One is the thermosetting plastic, another one is the thermoplastics. The thermoplastics are somewhat, it is what actually, yes, soft and as well as a molded purpose, it is useful for us. That's why only, yes, this plastic is yes, softened and as well as the heating and molded repeatedly also possible. Okay, in case you take a thermosetting plastic, it may not have possibility to change it is. Next come to here, 10th one. The material which is not decomposed by the natural process. Once again I repeat it here. The material which not decomposed by the natural process is called. What it is, tell me? Yeah, there it is only called this non-biodegradable. There is a material based on the composition nature. Okay, now yes, degradation method. It is classified into two types. One is the degradable, non-biodegradable. Which one is called degradable? Which are already mixed with the soil, that is called degradable. Which is not mixed with the soil, it is called non-biodegradable. Okay, and the next come to here, 11th one, the symbol. Different symbols are there, you know very well. Yes, the symbol represents. Yes, that is a recycle symbol. Based on that number is a 2. The 2 number is a what? HDPE. There is a what? 1 to 7 numbers are there. You know very well. 1 is a called PET. 2 is a called HDPE. Like that. We have the 7 is a called other. 6 is a called PS. Like that it will be there. Okay, and you compulsory concentrate on that particular recycling codes now. The question compulsory question, and it is a knowledgeable also. Next, 12th one, polyethylene and PVC are examples of. Polyethylene and PVC are examples of which one it is? Yeah, there it is. Two are examples for thermostatic plastics. Why? Because they are not biodegradable and they are compulsory. Okay, not remounted also. They are not remounted, and that's why these are the thermostatic plastics. There is a given in our textbook. This question is easy. Next, we come to the 13th one. 13th one. Which fiber also called fake fur? Okay, now. Which fur also called fake fur? Which one is called fake fur? Yeah, there it is also called. What actually? It is also called acrylic. It is also called acrylic. Yes, acrylic also called fake fur. It is in spite of wool only we are using. Next, come to the 14th question. The 4R principles. Okay, now you know very well. Not need it is order also. Okay, now there is a what it is. Whatever the non-biodegradable things are also there may degrade it into, okay, by using these 4R principles it is degraded. Otherwise the degraded is not possible. Okay, now but we are avoiding, okay, whatever the pollution it is made by the plastics or otherwise any other non-biodegradable things by using these 4R methods. What is that 4R? Yeah, there is a given repeat, rejoice and recycle and reduce. Okay, now yes, and as well as remember, reduce, recycle, rejoice. Okay, now reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. This is only our answer. You know very well about whatever the 4R principles. What is that? Reduce, recycle, reuse, recover. That is only. Okay, and now come to here. There is our 15th question answers. Bakelite and melamine are example of. Bakelite and melamine are example of. What it is? Thermoplastic, silk, nylon or rayon. Very easy question. That is the thermosetting plastics only. The bakelite and melamine are thermosetting plastics only. You know very well what is the meaning of PET. Okay, now that is a simply that is what it is, polyethylene terephthalate. That is only PET. Yes, compulsory you concentrate on that all the recycle codes. Okay, clear or not all the students? You be concentrate on that. Next one, 17th question answer. The sound usually travel through which medium to reach our ear? This is from sound actually. Sound usually draw through which medium to reach our ear? Okay, got it or not, students? Which medium is required to reach our ear? Huh? Yeah, we require what? Air, water, wood or asbestos? Air is required for us. Next, 18th one. What is the speed of sound in air? What is the speed of sound in air? That is 330 meter per second. What is the speed of sound in air? That is 330 meter per second. Okay, already we are discussed in the last classes only. Okay, and next to come to here, what is the length of vocal cords in a woman? Okay, now actually in our textbook, the vocal cords for the men it is given, that is the vocal cords of women is a 15 mm. Okay. Yeah, next concept is the voice box is called. The voice box is called what? What is the voice box? Yeah, already we are discussing. That is 330 meters per second now. So how much speed does sound travel? Already we are discussing. That is 330 meters per second. Okay now. In air it is. But in case it is not given as a air, okay, it is not 330. In air, that is the velocity of sound is 330 meters. Next, what is the length of vocal cords in a woman? That is a 15 mm. Okay, now yes, and for men it is a 20 mm. For the kids it is a 10 mm. Okay, millimeter it is. The voice box is a called. Yes, that is you know very well, that is the larynx, and sound is a kind of. Which one it is? Sound is energy. Sound is a kind of energy it is. Not the, it is work, not that it is a force, not it is another form. It is a energy form. Already we are discussed. Sound has energy, it may work by using the cell phone experiment. Okay, clear or not all the students? It's a vibrating, and the vibrations are changes the position of the body. The position of the body is changes. It is called work done. The work done by which one here? The work done by our sound only. Next come to here. There is a 22nd question. To and fro motion of object is called. To and fro motion of object is called. You know very well that is a what? Vibration. To and fro motions are called what? Vibrations. Got it or not? Yes, so there is so many types of motions are there, you know very well. Oscillatory motion, translatory motion. Okay, clear or not all the students? Oscillatory motion, translatory motion. What is there then? Yes, and circular motion, rotatory motion, that is only. Okay, there is a different types of motions are there. Okay, that is only called what actually? That is only called as our motion is to and fro. That is one type of oscillatory motion. That are called, that all oscillatory motions is coming because of vibrations only. That is only the answer we are taking. And the next one is blending means. Which one is called a blending? Okay, now that is about combination of fibers. Already we are discussed. The different fibers are there. The different fibers are one is combined with another one. That is only called the what actually? Blending. That is only called blending. Got it or not? Next come to here. Yes, 24th one. Which one is called here string based musical instrument? That is only veena is a string based musical instrument. The remaining all tabla, flute and mouth are on the working based on the air actually. Okay, now air and the membrane based, and in the flute there is a wood based, that is, and here the veena contain the what strings. The violin, veena, these all are strings based experiment, strings based musical instruments only. Then come to here 25th. Find the wrong statement. Find the wrong statement. Sound propagated through the air. sound propagated through the vacuum, sound propagated through the saline, sound propagated through the water. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yeah, already the last class is that one only for us. Okay, without the sound, without the medium, sound is not propagated. You know very well. Without the sound, without the medium, sound is not propagated. The sound is compulsory need the medium to travel. The sound is compulsory need the medium to travel. Clear or not? This is only about our question paper. Within the 20 minutes only our question paper is completed. Okay, now it's a very easy. Okay, now in case any doubts are there in a question paper, once ask me. Clear? Once ask me. If you have any doubts in a question paper, once ask me. Who found time? This is only the question. Yeah, 13th question option have not given. Yeah, it is a given. The 13th question answers are nylon, rayon, acrylic and polyester. What is the 13th question? Which fiber also called as fake fur? Nylon, rayon, acrylic and polyester. The answer is acrylic. Any more doubts? Sound, whatever the time, if one student asked some question, sir, who found the time? Time is not founded by any other, any particular scientist. There is what time is one of the physical quantity, is the duration between two events. That's it. Yeah. Next come here, our lesson. In our lesson, there is a what we are at which position? Yeah, we are at characteristics of sound. It is a very important. Okay, now that is useful for you in your future studies also. Okay, now there is a what is the characteristics of sound. Totally you are studied further in the about these characteristics of sound only. Whatever we are discussing till now, how the sound is produced, how the sound is listened by us, and where it will be comes and how it will be comes, these all the things are completed. Clear or not all the students? The characters are very important. Okay, yes, the characters are very important. Characteristics of sounds are very important for us. Now we are going to discuss the characteristics of sound. Yeah, what is the characteristics of sound? Tell me, what is the characteristics of sound? Yeah, there is a one somewhat times we are saying loudly, somewhat sounds are listened softly. When we listen one music, we are become pleasant. Our mind is become pleasant. Sometimes our mind is become somewhat irritation. Our mind is not become pleasant because of the music. Okay, yes, and somewhat time it will be what noise. Somewhat time it is looks music. Okay, why? Because this is occur. Okay, yes, suppose when there is when the teacher is in your classroom is in a silent mode. But when the teacher is not there, it will be somewhat what actually noise. Got it or not? Yeah, there is not only these are the characteristics of sound. So many characteristics are there during the sound production and after the production for the propagation. They follow these characteristics only. Mainly, there is about one characteristic is decided the whatever the loudness of sound and as well as the feebleness of the sound. Clear or not all of you? Yes, loudness of the sound and as well as the feebleness of the sounds. How it will be produced actually? Which one is a reason for this feeble sound and loud sound? That is only we have to go to discuss loudness and feebleness. Okay, clear or not all the students? When you know the answer for a question, when I am asking the question for you in your classroom, when you know the answer, you give a loud sound. Okay, but when you don't know the answer, at that time you are given which sound? Feeble sound only. Clear or not all of you? When you know the answer, you said loudly. When you not know the answer, just feeble only. Like that you are not produce any sound from your mouth. Okay, clear or not all the students? And that is only why because occur. Okay, we are listening so many loud sounds in our day life. We are listening so many what actually yes whatever the sounds we are listened as in a feeble mode also. Okay, why it is occur? What is the reason for it is? Okay, depending on the vibration only. What is the main reason for it? The reason for it is a vibration, number of vibration. Okay, clear or not all of you? The vibration is only caused for the what actually sounds. You know very well about this. Vibration is only caused for the sound. Got it or not all the students? Only the reason is vibration. Yes, the vibration every time is the same. When we produce the sound, every time vibration is the same. All the vibrations are in the same format. No, it is. Vibrations are changes actually. Okay, clear or not all the students? Feeble means what? Okay, na? Feeble means what? Not forcible. Okay, na? Clear or not all the students? Not forcible. Feeble is nothing but not forcible. Opposite to the force. Okay, na? Clear? Slow. Because of not applying the force as the body becomes slow or not? Like that only. Feeble opposed to the strong forces. Okay. The next come to here. There is a whatever the vibrations is only caused for the what actually sound production. You know very well. That vibration sometimes are in a low manner. Means what? It will be yes, small number of vibrations are only may get from the body. Sometimes big number of vibrations are only get from the body. Okay, that is the one cause, one character of the sound production. Another one vibration is a makes a long from the whatever the production body is there. Whatever the vibrations are produced from the body, it will be may contain long to and fro motions or may get. Because of that long to and fro motions are also, you'll get the what? Loudness and as well as the feebleness are become, okay now? Yes, in a sound. When there is getting the loud, when you get the feeble. Okay, clear or not all the students? And more number of vibration is also produce a more loud sound. More number of produces are what? More number of sound. Otherwise, one particle is a moves in the media because of application of sound. To and fro motions are taken a long distance. To and fro motions of the bodies are taken a long distance. Automatically, the sound is become louder. The sound is become what actually louder. Why? Because along its path it touch with the so many particles. That's why the sound is become louder in the media. This is suppose you take it as a pendulum. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, actually the vibrations are nothing but to and fro. Okay, suppose there is a what pendulum is contained in this particular position only. Because of this, there is a may get the what actually feebleness of sound. In case the pendulum is moving up to here, then what it is, whatever the media is there from this path to this path, all are under comes to the vibration. Okay, clear or not all the students? That are only main component. Okay, clear or not all the students? Mainly the loudness and feebleness is totally depending on which thing? It is totally depending on the vibrations only. Based on the vibration, nature of the vibration. Number of vibrations are more. It is also produces the what? More sound. Why we are used bell for the our classes changes purpose, otherwise why you are using the metal bell only? Why we are not using the water? Why we are not using the air? Why? Because there is a what? The metal bell have the capability to produce more vibrations. Why? Because already we are discussing now. In the metal is a solid. In the solid there is a more number of particles are there. When we disturb one particle, the remaining all the particles are also under vibration only. Clear or not all the students? Suppose you take it is a bell. In the bell there is a what? This type of a number of particles are there. More number of particles are available inside it. Because of this, there is a what? All the particles are under vibration. Automatically, what is going on? Automatically, there is a what? More number of vibrations are getting. But when you take a liquids, there is a what? Some particles are away from one another. That's why more number of vibrations are not possible. In case you take air, there is a what? Very less number of molecules are only there. Because of this also more number of vibrations are not possible. That's why only we take our bell is as a metal substance. Why? Because more number of vibrations are there. The more number of vibrations are produce the loudness. Okay, clear or not all the students? And in case you take a water, there is a less number of molecules are there, less number of vibrations are only there. Get for us. And one more thing. In case there is a whatever that particle is a moves a long distance into the vibration. What is the vibration? You know very well. What is that? To and as well as the fro. Nature of to and fro is only called vibration. Got it or not? The to nature and fro nature of the body is only called what? Vibration. The to is from the where to nature? From its disturbing mode to the to nature. From the disturbing mode to the fro nature. Means what? Back and front. It will be moved large distance from its original position. From its original position will get the loudness. But it is not moved that much of distance. It will be what actually? Yes, less loud will be get for us. One second here already you know very well bell. In this one there is a what? Like this sound continuously is a get for us. Okay, sorry. Like that sound is continuously will get the what? More sound it will be. Clear or not all the students? Like these vibrations are regularly, more number of vibrations are get, the sound will become louder. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as there is a what? This is called to and fro motion. Clear or not all the students? This is only called what? To and fro motion. Suppose we are Okay, touch the belt from this position to this particular thing. Okay, clear? This position to this particular thing. Just a minute. Yeah, when you take a bell here from this long distance to here, will get the more sound or not? But when you take a bell here only, okay, now less sound will be get. Okay, from in case you taken from here, okay, you taken from here and move like this, the loud sound. In case you taken here only, less sound will be get. Okay, yes. Suppose you take a hammer and from large distance with a more force you touch that bell, more sound will be get. Okay, now, but only make like this. Okay, now, yes, feeble sound will be get. What is this distance? We can't mark the distance in case. Okay, from the vibration to in the part of vibration, that whatever the particles are there inside of a substance, they travel long distance. That is only called a maximum distance. Okay, that is called what? Maximum distance. It's a called what? Amplitude. It's a called what? Amplitude. In the part of vibration, the particles are moved from its mean position to one particular position now. That maximum distance which is travelled by the body is only called amplitude. Got it or not? It is only called what? Amplitude. Yes, and the maximum distance travelled by the body, that is called amplitude. I hope you got it. Yes, and more amplitude are there, more loud sound will be get. Less amplitude is there, feeble sound will be get. Okay, clear or not all the students? About this we discuss tomorrow. The more example. Thank you students. And bye. Take care. Again, you have to enter into our final sessions. Okay, now from December to, okay, now, yes, already 2 FAs are completed. Means what? There is a automatically half of the syllabus may are completed after this lesson. Only 8 lessons are only there. From our 4 lessons are may removed from our syllabus. That's why please be concentrate from till today onwards. Okay, now most probably I hope your classes are also may started. Okay, got it? Yes, the government is given a good news for us. May from the January month onwards our regular classes are comes. We are come together to our school and we are enjoying with our studies. That is the coming days are good days only for you and me and all our friends. Okay, yes, and at last now that Corona gives a lesson for us. Okay, what is the importance of education? What is the importance of school for you? Okay, yes, and thank you. And our classes are continuous, but my time, my class time may changes to afternoon session. We concentrate on it. Okay, yes, we'll send that coming timetable. Whatever the change of timetable is there to your WhatsApp groups. Please be aware about that. Thank you. Bye. Take care.